Welcome back to the Simple Workshop. Today we're going to work on making ourselves a little pencil box. I have about a 1/4 inch depth set right here. The idea is to cut this so I can fit it right in here. Closely, I have a nice dado edge or cut-in edge that fits nice and flush. Okay, now we cut this edge in. We're going to need to make a indent here for this to slide back in. Set it up about an inch and a half off my fence. We'll repeat the same thing. Nice and easy fit, slides well, so we're going to go with that. Now, it's time to figure out how big you actually want to make your pencil box. So we're going to go, let's go 2 inches. Now I got 2-inch cut. Alright, there we have the pieces I just cut. This is 2 1/4. These are 2 inches high by 2 inches high, so if you put everything together, something like that. But how long is a regular pencil? This one's 7 inches, so why don't we make it 8 inches long? Cut these all on my saw for 8 inches. Alright, there we have it. 10 more exactly. 8 1/2, 8 1/2, 8 1/2. Now I took another piece off of it from my sides. Just cut off, that's 1 3/4. And I took another one, got another 1 3/4 wide. But I removed the slot here. So I just cut it again. So I have my slot missing. Alright, now I'm going to glue this all together and clamp it. Oh, I messed up. Anybody see it? Not going to tell you. Give me a comment below if you've seen it. Now I'll tell you what it is. See, I make my edge. This piece has to shrink. I go there. By the time I fit this one in, my piece is 1 inch shorter, so I have to recut that piece. So that piece will be 7 1/2. There we go. Now unfortunately I gotta glue again. Sorry, big fat head in the way. Wipe off some of the excess glue. Now it's nice and smooth. We'll sand everything down when we're done anyway, but. Alright, now I gotta recut this piece here so it fits inside. Alright, we're gonna let that cure up for a little bit. Alright, this is still curing. It's enough for me to play with. Okay, remember we cut that piece off? I cut it so it would fit in there. There we are. Oop. And then we have the piece that we cut off of this one so it would fit right here. I'm going to glue that on top. That way there's a finger hold. So, glue on that. Alright, we're going to let this dry up. Alright, it's been about an hour. Things ought to be more than cured up enough for me to sand it. So we'll sand and round some corners. That was all 80 grit sandpaper. I'm going to change to a 120 just to make it smoother yet. Take that out this time. One more place we got to hit with the sandpaper, it's the inside edge. There we go, nice and smooth. I don't care for these little holes on the bottom, if you see them. Here were the saw cuts, here, 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 and here. I think we're going to fill them in and then give it a light sand again. Okay, a little wood filler here that I use. I'll give that a minute to harden up and then we will sand it off again and be ready for a coat of paint. There we go, you can see the wood filler. It looks nice, all filled in, barely see it. And he drew on the bottom over here. I'm going to give it a nice quick hand sand and throw a pencil in it. A couple of pens I have there. And we have a nice little pencil box ready for a coat of paint. Remember, if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I will see you next time. Thanks for joining me at the Simple Workshop.